All right, so for this section, we're going to watch the video that goes along with the reading, and it talks about how the author uses something called chronological order. Chronology, or chronological, just means in sequence, beginning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, end, right? So talk about things in order. Go ahead and before you watch the video, just read the questions that are below so you know of the um, answers when they come up. All right. So quickly read through the questions and then go ahead and watch this video. It's just a 2.5 minute video.
In this passage, history writer Albert Marin tells the true story of a terrible fire. He uses chronological order, or the order in which events happen, to describe the events of that terrible day. And because the story he's telling is true, Marin is able to share the exact date, day of the week, and times of the day when these tragic events happened. These time words help you understand the sequence of events. Order words such as then, soon, and meanwhile also show sequence. So let's scan back through what we've read so far, looking for time and order words and noting the sequence of events. In this paragraph, we find out that the date of the tragic fire was March 25th. It was a Saturday, which meant the workers would be leaving early at 4:45 p.m. This fact makes the next thing we find out so very sad. By 4:40 p.m., the cutters had finished their work. With 5 minutes to go, they stood around talking until the quitting bell rang. Although it was against the rules, some lit cigarettes. Did you catch that? It was 4:40. Only 5 minutes before all the workers would have been dismissed and been safe. Next, we find out that the first sign of trouble was smoke pouring from beneath a cutting table. Remember, the cutters threw scraps of highly flammable fabric into bins under the long wooden cutting tables. Smoke was likely coming from one of those bins. After that, things happened fast. Cutters threw buckets of water on the smoke. Flames shot up and lit the paper patterns that hung above. The burning paper fell onto the fabric below, which then caught fire and blew around the room. A foreman ran for the hose, but it wasn't connected. No water came. Then, in these last two paragraphs, Marin again uses time and order words to highlight the sequence of events. At 4:45 p.m., someone pulled the fire alarm. Less than 2 minutes later, the firefighters arrived. Meanwhile, or at the same time, a few lucky workers made it out of the building by elevator. As you read on, try highlighting time and order words as you go. Keeping track of events will help you understand how quickly things happened and how preventable this fire was.